Cutting this. So 1692 divided by -2. Is this minus creating a problem to you?
No, sir.
So first part हो गया. Synthetic division for the second part. 2532 -2, 2 -4. So this became limit extending to -2 x plus 2. Did you write x plus 2 here?
Yes, sir.
Square plus 4x plus 4 plus 1. X square, 4x and 1. Here also x plus 2, 2x square plus x plus 1. Now x plus 2 got cancelled. Now replace x by -2. Did you put -2 square?
Yes, sir.
So 4 minus 8 plus 1. 4 into 2, 8 minus 2 plus 1. So what answer you get?
Minus 3.
3 by 7.
3 by
Same.
minus 3.
Minus 3 by
Minus 3 by 7.
7.
Hardik Mangera, you are there in the classroom? Hardik Mangera. Okay. Minus 3 by 7. Yeah.
2x square का 2 I overlook, sir. I got sir that last
2
one.
नहीं लिखा होगा. Okay. Let's see. Aim is to correct you. Okay. So let's look at next one. Now question number.
6.
Question number 6.
Yeah.
1 minute. Question number 6. All of you got different answer. 3 by 17 must be the right answer.
3 by 17 is
Hardik Thakkar,
I got-
Hardik Thakkar, you have answered only 3 questions. Hardik Thakkar. Hardik. These are not cooperating. This is not, if any problem, suppose when you are doing even Z, you are not at all cooperating with me. If you do like this, ultimately 12th standard आपको बहुत कम mark मिलेगा. Then don't blame me. I am doing my level best to make you learn. But if you are decided not to learn, I cannot do. Tasin, what is this answer? Root कहाँ से आया?
Sir, I did direct substitution. So
हाँ तो डिनोमिनेटर
denominator-
0 आएगा. अच्छा डिनोमिनेटर में कैलकुलेशन मिस्टेक किया होगा. Okay. Diksha Joshi, have you come back into the classroom?
सर
Ananya,
Sir.
you also. Yes, बोलो.
सर हम डायरेक्ट सब्स्टिट्यूशन कर सकते हैं ना?
कौन है? Who is speaking?
सर आयुष.
Ayush, I'll tell you. Ayush, direct substitution पहला करना ही पड़ता है. Actually,
ओके.
I'll show you. I'm going to explain to you. I'm going to explain to you. हमेशा कोई भी प्रॉब्लम है पहले डायरेक्ट सब्स्टिट्यूशन करना है. उसके बाद देखना है कि दोनों 0 है. अगर दोनों 0 नहीं है तो अब you have to just don't have to worry. That is your answer. जो आंसर मिला है वही आंसर है. पहले हर क्वेश्चन में डायरेक्ट सब्स्टिट्यूशन करना पड़ता है. Did you follow this?
यस सर.
हाँ, तो let's have a look at question number 7. मुझे लगता है आपको ये रूट के कारण टेंशन हो गया होगा. Okay, limit extending to √2. X cube minus 3x plus √2 divided by 2x cube plus 3 √2 x square minus 7x minus 3 √2. Is it okay? Okay, Diksha, but you have to speak out. Otherwise, how will I come to know, Diksha? I am teaching you. I am not scolding you. Okay. पहला बात 2 √2 cube minus 3 √2 plus √2 ये कितना होगा? √2 cube is 2 √2 minus 3 √2 plus √2 ये 0 हो जाएगा.
0.
अबे नीचे देखो क्या हो जाता है. 2 √2 cube 3 √2 into √2 square minus 7 √2 minus 3 √2 ये हो गया 2 √2 4 √2
4 √2
2 into 6
plus
√2
6 √2
6 root 2.
10 हो गया. -7 √2 और -3 √2 0 हो गया ना. 4 + 6 10 -7 -3 10 so 0 हो गया ना.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
तो 0 by 0 आया गया. एक बार 0 by 0 आ गया तो इसका मतलब क्या है? न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर में
Common factor.
There's a factor common.
या तो आपका जो some students could not do it because you calculated the denominator wrongly है. So just take care of this √2 cube. इसका मतलब है √2 into √2 into √2 तो एक 2 हो जाता है. Okay. Yeah. So it will be x minus √2 will be one factor. Other factor synthetic division. X minus √2 other factor फिर बाकी synthetic division. Now I know that I purposely put √2 क्योंकि मुझे आपको दिखाना था कोई भी नंबर है मेथड तो चेंज नहीं होता. x क्यूब का कोएफिशिएंट 1, x स्क्वायर का कोएफिशिएंट 0, x का कोएफिशिएंट -3
-3
Plus
√2.
अभी √2 से डिवाइड किया 1 this is √2
√2
ये हो गया 2 √2 into √2 2 हो गया ना.
So yes, sir.
हाँ,
minus
-1
-1. So it will
और
be
minus √2
आंसर 0. तो आपका इधर हो गया x स्क्वायर प्लस √2x -1
-1.
बराबर है. हाँ
Yes,
अभी
sir.
नेक्स्ट वन इसका भी ऐसा करके देखो 2 3 √2
3 √2 -7
-7 -3 √2
√2.
अभी √2 से डिवाइड करना है
2,
सो
3
2 हो जाएगा
5 √2,
√2
10,
5 into √2 10 हो जाता है
3,
-3
No, no, only 3.
plus 3, it's a plus 3.
Only 3, sir.
correct. So it became 2x square plus 5 √2 plus x.
3
Plus 3.
plus 3.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
ये cancel हो गया. अभी let's see the calculation. ये हो गया 2 √2 square 2 हो गया.
Yes, sir.
एक √2 into √2 2 हो गया.
Again 2.
Please ask if you are not following है. ये √2 square कितना हो गया 2 2 into 2 4
4.
5 √2 into √2 10
10 plus 3.
4 -1 3 हो गया और 17 हो गया 3 by 17. Any doubt anybody?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Yeah.
So basically,
No, sir.
only little calculation here and there.
Yeah, calculation. It's okay, no problem. But see, accuracy is very important. We cannot neglect it. We have to see that. So you know the method. I've understood that majority of you know the method.
So I made a mistake in calculating the denominator.
Yes. So only that is the reason why you got 0 in denominator. So whenever you get like that, you have to check twice. 0 कभी आता नहीं है. 7th question was a new question which I taught you yesterday. 1 by 3 is correct. Yes, Chirag. Zaid है class में.
Yes,
हार्दिक तक्कर has come in. हार्दिक तक्कर जरा बात करो मेरे से.
Yes, sir.
क्या हो गया आपने आंसर ही नहीं किया?
Yes, sir.
क्या हो गया मालूम नहीं है चैप्टर? बोलो क्या
Sir,
कुछ भी जो भी प्रॉब्लम है आप बताओ मुझे.
सर वो लास्ट वो फिफ्थ के बाद क्वेश्चन में x डिवाइड बाय x आ रहा था बार बार.
x डिवाइडेड बाय x ठीक है. अभी देखो जो भी डाउट है आज क्लियर करना है. आज फिर से मैं दे रहा हूँ. मैं आपको पहले ही देखेगा है. ओके हाँ अभी जो भी डाउट है मैंने रिकॉर्ड भी कर रहा हूँ ये सब. लिमिट एक्सटेंडिंग टू 3 1 upon x minus 3 minus 3 upon x square minus 3x. अभी पहले डायरेक्ट सब्स्टिट्यूशन करेगा तो 1/0 मिलेगा और 3/0 मिलेगा. बराबर है कि नहीं? तो ये इंफिनिटी और ये इंफिनिटी है और इंफिनिटी माइनस इंफिनिटी इनडिटरमिनेट फॉर्म है. मैंने आपको भेजा ना कौन सा इनडिटरमिनेट फॉर्म है. So you cannot do substitution. So substitution failed. समझा कि नहीं?
Yes, sir.
Whenever substitution is failed, because this became 0, this became 0, इसका मतलब है दोनों डिनोमिनेटर में x minus 3 कॉमन फैक्टर है. इधर भी x माइनस 3 है, आपको इधर दिखाई दे रहे हैं, x कॉमन लेकर तो x माइनस 3 आ गया. Now tell me what is the next step?
Take the LCM.
Take LCM. What do you mean by LCM? Making both the denominators same.
Denominator same.
Actually, those students who are having difficulty, LCM is x into x minus 3. अगर x ऊपर और नीचे में मल्टीप्लाई करेगा तो दोनों का डिनोमिनेटर एक ही हो जाता है ना.
एक हो जाएगा.
That is the meaning of LCM. अभी दोनों का डिनोमिनेटर एक ही है, तो इसका मतलब है x into x minus 3 is LCM. अभी a x हो गया और a minus 3 हो गया. अभी x minus 3 कैंसल्ड, तो x डिनोमिनेटर में आ रहे हैं, हार्दिक आपका बराबर था, x डिनोमिनेटर में आ रहे हैं, लेकिन वो x क्या हो जाएगा, 3 हो जाएगा ना. तो 1 by x, 1 by 3. समझा हार्दिक? हार्दिक तक्कर,
Yes sir, yes sir,
ये मेथड बराबर समझ में आया?
yes sir.
Anybody having a problem in this method?
Yes.
No, sir.
Can I change the page?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Let's have a look how many students had a problem in next one. Yeah, this almost everybody got. Eighth one. We are talking about eighth.
So we got it wrong, sir.
Acha, one wrong.
Yes, sir,
I
we
don't know,
have
sir. We
got
got
wrong.
I
one.
got the
Zero
answer as
to-
1, but it's showing that
Everybody is getting
We
one.
got one.
Okay, then I may be wrong. Let's see. It can be possible that I have given you wrong answer. Let me check. Limit extending to 2. 1 upon x minus 2 minus 1 upon x square minus 3x plus 2. When I put 2, I get 0. When I put 4 minus 6 plus 2, I get 0. What does that 0 means? What does that 0 means?
substitution method will not work.
And denominator has a common factor.
Common
Minus
factor.
2. There it is.
बराबर है ना?
minus 2,
Minus
X minus 2 and x minus 1.
Minus 1.
Yeah. Anybody? Are there any difficulty in this part? Hardik, just speak to me once.
No sir.
Yeah, just listen to me once. If you are putting anywhere and getting 0 as answer, इसका मतलब है x minus 2 इसका factor है. ये
Yes
तो
sir.
आपको याद रखना पड़ेगा. जहां पे 0 मिल रहे हैं उधर x minus 2 factor है. दूसरा factor मिल रहा है, I think you know it. You are a good student. You should not have a problem. अभी डिनोमिनेटर, अभी दोनों का डिनोमिनेटर एक ही करना है. जिसको जो स्टूडेंट को एलसीएम का प्रॉब्लम है, इधर भी ये दोनों डिनोमिनेटर एक ही होना चाहिए, तो न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर x minus 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करना.
X minus 1.
minus 1.
Yeah. So your LCM now became x minus 2 into x minus 1.
Minus 1.
A x minus 1 हो गया,
minus
और
1.
a minus 1.
Minus 1.
तो आपको मिल गया लिमिट एक्सटेंडिंग टू 2
X
minus 2
upon
upon x
X
minus
minus
2.
2 into x minus 1.
X minus 1.
So
X minus
answer
1.
1 upon 2 minus 1.
So
So
1
one.
is your
1 is the
What
answer.
We
sir.
got it as
answer
wrong.
given by me.
We got it.
Oh.
One.
No
Yes,
answer.
sir, we
got it wrong.
Answer was not given, but
So there was an answer given,
Wrong.
just a cross.
just a
Answer
cross,
is
yeah.
wrong.
Acha. There was no answer only given that.
No.
No,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
I'll edit and send you the correct answer. Once again, I'll send you. Question number 8, no?
Yes, sir.
I missed out the answer. Okay, I'm putting the answer now. What was the answer? 1, no?
1.
So even question number 3, we got it wrong, even though our answer was right.
Question number 3, what was the problem?
No, sir, we got the answer as 3. Now we gave it wrong, but that was right.
3 is supposed to be the correct answer.
Hmm.
Question number?
3 and 8.
I had given -1 as the answer. What?
Yes.
Yes,
Again,
sir.
Question, just said question number 3.
Yes, sir, you have given -1 as the answer.
Answer supposed to be
3.
3. Okay, I'll correct that also. After correct, I'll send you again the email so that you will get correct answers. Okay, now what about next question? You had a problem. Question number, what is the question number now?
9.
9.
Three
Just
by
we got that.
2.
3 by 2.
9, I think everybody got, only
3
one
by 2.
student, Mansi alone had a problem. Mansi, should I explain? Tvessa is not done at all anything. She's not attending properly my class. You're not speaking out also. I think Mohit made a calculation error. Ikra, you also made a mistake in that. Huh? You got the answer. Ananya did not get the answer on this. Okay, let me just check. If anything to explain in the problem, I'll do it. Otherwise, I'll skip that question. Question number 9. Nine should not be a problem because, okay. Question number 9, limit extending to 2. 1 upon x minus 2 minus 2 upon x cube minus 2x square plus 2x.
minus 3x square.
तो this is a cubic one. पहले आपको एक x कॉमन लेना पड़ेगा. बराबर है ना?
2 or 3. It is 3 no sir. 3x
Square. 3x square.
square.
Okay. Now again you can factorize this. What should be the factor of this? X into, what should I write here?
Minus 2.
X minus 2 into x minus 1. Chalega? Everybody?
Yes sir.
Hardik Thakkar, how I came to know x minus 2 इधर है?
Yes sir, common
कैसा मालूम पड़ा?
factor.
हाँ, जब नहीं कॉमन फैक्टर नहीं, जब मैंने 2 इधर डाला तो ये 0 हो गया ना?
Yes
And I
sir,
replace
x
x
minus
as 2 in this part, x square minus 3x plus 2 का वैल्यू 0 हो गया. इसका मतलब है x minus 2 is a factor. समझा कि नहीं? This is a secret of the whole
Yes,
exercise.
sir.
This chapter का secret वही है. Now we have to make the denominator same. Denominator same करने के लिए किससे multiply करना पड़ेगा? X से multiply करना पड़ेगा.
Yes sir. And x minus.
और x minus 1 से multiply करना पड़ेगा. तो ये denominator same होगा. So what will be our denominator now? X into x minus 2 into x minus 1. इधर क्या हो जाएगा? x into x minus 1. इधर क्या हो जाएगा? माइनस साइन है बीच में, 2 भी है. So that became limit extending to 2 x square minus x minus 2 divided by x into x minus 2 into x minus 1. So limit extending to 2 x minus 2 into x plus 1 divided by x into x minus 2 into x minus 1. x minus 2 cancelled. अभी 2 डाल देगा तो 3 ऊपर आएगा, 2 डालेगा तो ये 2 आ जाएगा. Answer is 3 by 2. Any problem? Ikra corrected?
Yes sir.
Yeah. Okay.
I did.
Yeah. Some calculation mistake. Only,
I did some mistake.
Here also 9th also I don't find much a problem. Some students have done mistake. Tvessa, why you are not cooperating with me? Tvessa is there in the class. अभिजीत आपने भी ये मिस्टेक किया, 8 by 11 कैलकुलेशन में मिस्टेक हो गया. काशिश आपको did not define क्यों आया?
Sir, I did direct substitution there.
So दोनों 0 है ना?
Yes, sir.
दोनों 0 है. See, this is one important thing you must
Even I
understand.
did that.
Oh, so the
Yeah,
numerator.
why direct substitution fails here? You have to understand that one. When I'm putting 0 here, 1 by 0 आ रहे हैं और 2 by 0 आ रहे हैं. It is two indeterminate term का subtraction है, which is not defined. But इसका limit है. You can calculate limit of this, provided we do this process. समझा कि नहीं?
Yes, sir.
So by getting denominator 0, don't think that 0 minus 0. Suppose only 1 by 0 was there, only this much was there of question, then your answer is correct. But because two indeterminate forms are there, that's why your answer is coming another value, not indeterminate form. So do you want me to solve or can I skip that?
So I,
Sir, I got it as 1 by 12.
You want me to do it?
it's 11 by 12.
Yes, sir.
11 by 12 is correct now.
Sir, can you do
11 by 12. You want me to show? Yes or no?
it? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm getting.
No problem. I don't have any difficulty in solving. Only thing, if all of you know it, then we'll not waste time. That's all. Personally, I have no difficulty in solving how much of a question you ask me, how much of a time you ask also. Abhijit, can you speak to me? Abhijit, class में है? Denominator क्या होना चाहिए? अभी x1 डाल दिया तो मुझे 0 मिला. When I put x as 1, I am getting here 0. Which means what can I say here? कौन सा फैक्टर होना चाहिए इधर? Abhijit?
Yes, sir. Yes.
See, remember this. 1 square plus 1 minus 2, I am getting 0. When I put x as 1, if I get 0, x minus 1 is a factor. If this is not understood, this chapter cannot be done. Whenever you are getting 0 by substitution, ये दोनों का difference उसका factor है. Heard me properly? Abhijit,
Yes.
what did I explain to you? Can you tell me?
Yes, sir.
How do I come to know x minus 1 is a factor?
Because that the denominator.
When I put x
One
as
square,
1, I get
Yes.
answer 0. Is x minus 2 a factor? Check करो, x minus 2 a factor है कि नहीं? How will I check whether x minus 2 is a factor?
By putting two, we get two.
If by putting 2, if I am getting 0, it would be a factor, but I am getting 4. So it's not a factor. Understood, Abhijit?
Yes, sir.
If I put x as 1, tell me whether x plus 1 is a factor. Check करके बोलो x plus 1 is a factor. तो क्या करना चाहिए मैं? x के जगह पे क्या डालना चाहिए?
Minus.
minus 1.
Minus 1.
Minus 1. If I put minus 1, am I getting a 0? No.
No.
Therefore not a factor. समझा कि नहीं? Whatever the number you substitute instead of x and get answer 0, x minus that number is a factor. What should be the other factor? इधर देख के बताओ. इसको ओपन करेगा तो x square मिलना चाहिए. इसको ओपन करेगा तो -2 मिलना चाहिए.
Minus 2, yes, sir.
अभिजीत,
Plus 2.
क्या
Yes,
मिलना
sir.
चाहिए? What should I write
-2.
here? -2 if I write product देखो -1 into -2 plus 2 मिलेगा. लेकिन
Plus
मुझे
2, हाँ.
-2 चाहिए.
Minus 2.
Plus 2.
Plus 2.
X plus 2.
Still you have not yet learned it properly. बोलो इसका फैक्टर बोलो.
X minus 1 and x plus 3.
Plus 3.
Yes, x plus 3.
Cooperate with me. जो पढ़ना है तो पढ़ना है, नहीं तो मत पढ़ो. When you don't know something, you have to learn it. Learn करने के लिए you have to have that willingness to learn. Time pass तो सबको कर सकता है.
Sir,
Okay. Yeah.
actually I have to work little more on these fraction type samna, because if I
You practice it to come.
because when I look at them sometimes I feel little like confused.
ये तो एकदम format तो fixed है ना,
Yes,
सब problem
sir,
का.
it is simple, but
हाँ.
I have to practice actually.
Okay. Tell me what is LCM?
Plus
X
1.
minus 1, x plus 1, x plus 2, x plus 3.
Now what should I
And then-
multiply 3x with?
3 into x plus 3.
X plus 3. And what should I multiply this 4 with?
X plus 2.
4 into x plus 2.
So 3x square plus 6x minus 4x minus 8 divided by
Sir, it should be 9x now.
9x.
9.
Yeah. Thank you. So 3x square plus 5x minus 8 divided by x minus 1 into x plus 2 into x plus 3. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now that became limit extending to 1. Now tell me, when I put x as 1 here, am I getting 0? अगर x का वैल्यू 1
Yes.
डालेगा तो 0 मिल रहा है कि नहीं मिल रहा है?
Yes, sir.
तो एक फैक्टर होगा x minus 1 और दूसरा फैक्टर क्या है?
3x minus 2.
3x minus
3x plus 8.
Plus 8.
plus 8.
How come it's plus 8?
Minus 8 divided by minus 1.
minus.
Minus 8 divided by minus 1. There minus 8 and a constant. Here minus 1.
I did a mistake. I did a mistake here.
So x minus 1 cancelled. So 3 plus 8
Yes.
divided by 1 plus 2 into 1 plus 3. So 11 upon 3 into 4. 12. I hope you are understanding your mistakes.
So
Yes,
instead
sir.
of writing 8, I wrote it as 2. That's why I got my answer as 1 by 12.
Now then, square root wala problem.
Yes.
Let me see how many of you had mistake there. The new problem which I taught you.
Sir, I'm having big problem in that square root wala thing.
Yeah, Ikra. Okay, no problem. Question number 11.
Same, sir.
Yes, sir.
I did all of them, but I did not write the answer.
Yeah, those who did all got correct answer. Those who didn't do didn't get correct. And say you have to practice, and it'll be straightforward. Don't have to be frightened.
The sums look easy when you solve it.
It's so
But when
practice.
we solve it, it becomes
Then
very
they become like
Adpati,
double.
I'll tell you one thing. At the end of the year, you'll be better than me.
previous.
Provided you cooperate with me. Means what my cooperation is, then you go wrong, tell sir, mujhe nahi mil rahe. Like that. And practice, practice, practice. And once I know that you have a problem, then what will I do? I keep on seeing that you practice that and become perfect. But if I don't know, I cannot. That's why I started this method. Give an assignment, then check what you are getting wrong so that I can correct you.
So I got this as minus 1 by 0.
Yeah, in classroom, if I am teaching, I'll correct you there itself. But since I am not able to see what you are writing in the book, I am unable to correct it. That's why I'm using this technique now. Okay, this is like A minus B. A is 1 and B is the one with the root. So I have to multiply with A plus B. Then only the root term will have a B square. Correct, na? Then only the root will go away. So what is its conjugate?
1 plus root
1
x
plus
minus
root x
4.
minus 4.
Minus 4.
So whatever you are multiplying, numerator, same thing to be multiplied in the denominator.
Denominator.
Everybody is doing this problem.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That is limit x tending to 5. Now 1 will have a square and this root will have a square. Is that fine?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
X minus 4.
I think this many steps, no problem, no?
No, sir.
No, sir.
That became limit extending to 5. 5 minus x ho jayega. Agreed?
Yes.
But denominator is x minus 5.
So take a minus 1 common.
Yes, take a minus common. You understood this minus common, everybody? When I take minus common, the x will become positive and 5 will become negative. So that when you open the bracket, वापस आ जाता है. अभी cancel हो गया. So minus 1 upon 1 plus root 5 minus 4. Minus 1 upon 2. Please ask me if anywhere any difficulty, anything which you are not able to understand.
X became positive. 5 became.
How x became positive? See, whenever
No, sir. Minus common that step.
माइनस कॉमन, सो a माइनस b को b माइनस a करना है तो हमेशा एक माइनस कॉमन ले लो, तो पोजीशन इंटरचेंज हो जाता है.
That will.
So but you are making mistake ना, ऐसे एक बबल बना के रखने का, so that when you turn the pages ये आपका मन में आ जाता है. I have no regret that. Yeah,
I was clueless after 5 minus x, what to do, how to cancel.
this part, no?
Yes.
Yeah. See, Arundhati, I'll tell you one thing. When we polish ourselves slowly by slowly, you get hang of everything. Maths is just like riding a cycle. How do you become? Initially, when you had 2 wheels to ride, and afterwards you removed 1 wheel. Then you removed both the wheels from the extra wheels that you added to your cycle. Am I right or wrong? And finally, today, if I ask you to ride a cycle, you will leave both hand and ride. Am I right or wrong?
Yes.
Correct.
Yes,
This is
sir.
exactly maths. Maths works. Initially, you need support of the teacher, like the 2 extra wheels that you added to your bicycle. Then slowly the teacher will pull out, and then you will ride yourself. This is exact way of training a student in mathematics. There is not intelligence. It's only training. Intelligence comes in other subjects. Maths is training. Training to develop everything. How to calculate, how to evaluate, how to think. So just join my training program, what you're doing now, full-heartedly, you will become super. And once your maths is strong, any subject you can learn. It is not difficult to learn any subject if your maths is strong. Okay. So that's why I put so much effort in 11th and 12th. I want my students to be independent. You know what do you mean by independent? If your maths is strong, you don't need a teacher for studying any subject. Do you know this? You don't need a teacher to study any subject if your maths is strong. You will understand this, what I'm speaking, when you go for engineering or when you go for the higher study. If your maths is fine, everything is automatic. That means you learn the language of science. Okay, tell me what is A and B here? What is the conjugate?
X minus 3,
X plus 1 plus root x plus 13.
So x plus 1 your first term, and root x plus 13 is your second term. So x plus 1 plus
root x plus 13.
Divided by x minus 3 into x plus 1 plus root x plus 3. That became limit extending to 3. A minus b into a plus b. A square minus b square. Fine. Now we'll have to expand this. You have to make it a polynomial, but like this you can't take common factor. So x square plus 2x plus 1. Any doubt in this part? This minus bracket, this is very dangerous, sir. This bracket, if you don't put it, you will go wrong.
Sir, I didn't took the bracket and I went wrong.
So Manoj sir is having experience now to tell you what is exactly mistake that you can do. Yeah, x square
Plus x
2x minus x become plus x
minus 12.
minus 2.
Minus 12.
X minus 3.
Abhijit, can you tell me one thing? Abhijit,
Yes, sir.
if I put 3 in the numerator, what answer do you get? It says 3 in the numerator. This will become 3 square. This will become 3. and 12 will remain this. So what answer I'm getting? 9 plus 3 minus 12. कितना मिला? 0 मिल रहा है ना? अभिजीत, you are not sleeping. मुझे लगता है you are laying
Yes.
down on your bed and learning.
No, sir.
Okay. What I wanted to ask you is this. When I put x as 3 and I got 0 as answer, so what you can say?
It's not. We get 0 over.
No, Abhijit will answer because he last time he did not answer this stuff. When I put x as 3 and I got 0 as answer, so what can you say?
X,
So and so is a factor.
X,
X, I heard x.
X plus 3.
No, x plus 3, 9. X minus 3. Not x plus 3. X minus 3 is a factor. ये दोनों का difference factor होगा. This part, if you have not understood this chapter, you cannot do, my dear. This is the most important thing. When you put a number and if you are getting 0 as answer, x minus that number will be the common factor. I'm going to ask you again. Abhijit, be ready. Every time I am going to ask you this. Till you tell me this, I'll keep on asking. What is the other factor?
X plus 4.
X plus
X
4.
plus 4.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Cancel it. Replace x as 3 here. 3 plus
7.
4 is 7.
7,
Upon 8.
Sir,
Plus 1
8,
plus root of 3 plus 13 became 16.
16.
4.
4.
So
8.
upon 3
So
plus
8 should.
4 plus
4
So
root
8
16.
should be 7
4
upon
root
8, na?
16.
So the
7
answer is
upon
given
8.
7 by 6. You're also.
Yes, sir. We got that wrong.
We got that wrong.
What's the answer?
7 by
7
6 it was
upon.
given.
7
I had a
upon
mistake.
8. You
Maybe.
came twice.
Maybe.
Okay, I'll correct it. Okay, fine, good.
sir,
So can I change the page?
sir,
Yeah, bolo na.
sir, in that x plus 4,
Yes. How did I get that? See, when you know x minus 3 is a one factor, बराबर है ना?
yes, sir.
तो other factor मिलने के लिए इधर कौन सा number होना चाहिए? See, this is how I would ask. इसके अंदर what should be the number here? इधर दो number है. ये दोनों multiply करेगा तो मुझे a मिलना चाहिए, x square मिलना चाहिए. तो इधर x होना चाहिए ना? नहीं तो
Yes,
x
sir.
square नहीं मिलेगा. और -3 किससे साथ मल्टीप्लाई करेगा तो -12 मिलेगा.
4.
4. So +4. Got it?
Yeah.
A quadratic,
Yes,
you
yes,
can do
sir.
only this in quadratic. अगर डिग्री 2 है तो ही कर सकते हैं, डिग्री 3 है तो नहीं कर सकते. डिग्री 3 है तो
Yes.
सिंथेटिक डिवीजन. आपको चाहिए तो इसमें भी सिंथेटिक डिवीजन कर सकते हैं. इधर भी सिंथेटिक डिवीजन कर सकते हैं. So you will get x plus 4. There's a coefficient of x. There's a constant. You also can do synthetic division, but that is foolishness to spend that time on that. Hardik, that part is clear to you?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Shortcut is divide x square by x. पहला term मिलेगा. Divide constant by constant. दूसरा term मिलेगा.
Yes, sir.
Okay, can we change?
Yes, sir.
Let's see how many of you did next question. What is the question number?
13.
13. 13.
13. 240 कितने को मिला है? Oh, very less students. Okay. Yeah, this limit extending to 4, this came in the exam last time. X raised to 4 minus 64x divided by root of x square plus 9 minus 1. So first and foremost thing, I can take an x common. I need to rationalize the denominator. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
And when I put x as 4 here, 4 cube minus 64, एक इसका क्या हालत हो रहा है? 4 cube minus 64 कितना हो गया?
0.
0. So what is your conclusion?
Okay.
So what's your conclusion?
X minus
Minus
4.
4 is
X minus 4 is a factor. Do you know what is the other factor? Either you have to do synthetic division. X cube, 1.
X square plus 16.
X square, 0. X, 0. Constant, minus 64. X cube, X square, X, constant. And you have to divide by 4. So 1 plus 4x plus, sorry, x square plus 4x plus 16 divided by, ये हो गया x square plus 9 minus 25 हो गया ना, a square.
So you forgot to write that under root x square plus 9 plus 5 in the
Yeah,
numerator.
I'll write that. Yes, I had forgot. Now you reminded me. Thank you. All right. Now this became x square minus how much? 9 and minus 25.
Minus 16.
Minus 16.
minus 16.
So that can be written as
X into x minus 4.
X plus 4.
X square plus 4x plus 16 in the root of x square plus 9
Plus 9 plus 5.
plus 5 and
X minus 16.
x square minus 16 is x minus 4 into x plus 4.
X minus 4 to X plus 4. Yes.
So
Cancel.
my aim was to get the common factor. मिल गया,
हाँ.
cancel हो गया. अब ये replace करो, answer आ गया. So this x will become 4. This become 4 square, 4 into 4, 16.
Plus 16.
A sub 16, a sub 16.
So 48.
This became the root
5.
of, yeah, 16
5,
plus
10.
16 plus 9,
Plus
25.
25. 25 plus 5. 5 plus 5.
4
divided
plus
by
4.
4 plus 4. This cancelled. 16 into 16 is the 48.
48. Then 24.
5 plus 5, 10.
10. So 12.
Divided by 2. So 240.
240. Yes.
Check whether, tell me whether you're anywhere feeling difficult to understand.
No, so it's clear.
No, sir. Yeah.
No, sir.
Always remember, whenever I get 0 by 0, x minus 4 is a common factor. X minus 4 should be the common factor. I have to cancel the common factor, then replace x by 4 so that I don't get 0 by 0. That's all the secret of all this problem. Get the common factor, avoid 0 by 0 and get the answer. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Aryan, hey Aryan Singh. Aryan Singh also is not cooperating with me. I believe that those students who are not cooperating, they are planning to take psychology, I think. That's others, those who feel, those who are taking computer science, please cooperate with me. नहीं तो आप लोग फंस जाएगा. Computer science
Yes,
is
sir.
a key subject है maths.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
There is no other
Yes,
subject.
Yes, sir.
And if you are not good at maths, don't take computer science. आपको program करना ही पाएगा. So either develop your maths ability, or आप maths computer science मत करो. Okay, question number 14 करूं?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, limit x tending to 0. If x is tending to 0, what is the common factor?
X itself.
X itself.
How? Why?
You tell me why. If x is tending to 2, what is the common factor?
X minus 4.
Minus 2.
Minus 2. If x is tending to 0, what is common factor?
X itself.
x minus 0 मतलब x ही होगा ना. Yeah, we have to cancel. That means x has to already x is present here. Only we have to cancel. This is a problem. Every student got different answer.
सर मुझे ब्रैकेट पे 2 मिला, मुझे स्क्वायर का साइन ही नहीं मिल रहा था, इसके लिए ब्रैकेट में 2 को डाला.
Look at the size. Root of a plus x
Yes,
plus
sir.
2y. ये तो problem नहीं है ना.
नहीं सर, ये नहीं.
You don't have to bother about this. ये ऐसे रखने का, अपने को कुछ काम ही नहीं है इससे. इसमें कुछ करना ही नहीं है क्योंकि कॉमन फैक्टर ऑलरेडी मेरे पास आ गया है. सिर्फ
Yes, sir.
तो इधर डालना है बस. That became limit extending to 0. This root will go away. And this root will go away. That's it. That's all numerator.
So in the numerator, A will get cancelled now.
Yeah, A will get cancelled. In fact, this is an easy problem. X और X अभी cancel हो जाएगा.
Yes.
And एक बार common factor cancel हो गया तो replace substitute करना है बस.
Yes.
आपको 0 by 0 नहीं होगा अभी. AX और AX cancel. अभी जहां पे X है सब 0 डाल दो, आपका आंसर आ गया. Root A plus 0, root A plus 0 plus root A. 1 by root A into 2 root A. Root A plus root A is 2 root A. अभी 1 by 2 होगा. A root A into root A is A, so A square.
A square.
Understand what mistake you did, accordingly correct it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Let me see how many you did. 15 problem. 15 was a challenging question. Let me see how many of you did.
Yeah, 15 also was
Difficult?
very, very difficult.
No, it will be a
Easy,
difficult
sir.
one to explain.
Bad.
Sir, calling difficult is understatement, sir.
Can I change this?
Yes.
But so many
Yes,
students got
sir.
correct
Yes, sir.
answer. Oh, 15 see, देखो कितना student को correct answer.
Easy it was, sir.
Yeah,
I don't know. I didn't get that. I was like,
3 by 2, 3 by 2. Many students got. That's what I'm telling. Many students are doing extremely very good. Abhijit got 2 1 by A square. 2 कहाँ गया? Okay, last question of this kind. Limit x tending to 0. Root of x plus 4 minus 2 divided by root of x plus 9 minus 3. How many places we have root? Both the places you have root. So you have to rationalize both. And what should be my common factor?
X itself.
X itself. Identify the common factor before you start. So you get direction. What should I get my answer to? So if you make some mistake, you'll come to me. No problem here?
No, sir.
no.
You may be thinking, where is that compensation? See here. Now compensate this over here and compensate this over here. Your problem is solved almost. A square became x plus 4 minus b square became again 4. आ गया x common factor. A minus b into a plus b, x plus 9
X plus
minus 9.
minus 9. Bracket में. फिर root x plus 4.
4 4 gone, 9 9 gone, and the whole bracket
sir.
numerator and denominator also gone. So root x plus 9 plus 3
Plus
divided
3.
by
Root x
plus
plus
4
9.
plus
X plus 4, sir.
so root 9 plus 3 divided
Plus
by
4.
root 4 plus
Root
2.
plus 4 plus.
आर्यन आप क्लास में है क्या?
Yes, sir.
कहाँ गया? मैं 2 बार आपको बुलाया था.
सर वो आवाज नहीं आ रही थी आपकी.
लेकिन आप थोड़ा और मुझसे कोऑपरेट करो अगर आप मैथ्स आगे पढ़ रहे हैं तो.
Yes, sir.
आपको 12th में मैथ्स लेना है
Yes, sir.
तो आप मेरे से बहुत ज्यादा कोऑपरेट करना पड़ेगा.
Okay, sir.
जो भी आंसर नहीं मिल रहे उसका भेज दो व्हाट्सएप में और जो
Okay, sir.
मिस्टेक है उसको करेक्ट करो. थोड़ा
Okay.
लगा के काम करेगा तो मैथ्स हो जाता है.
Yes, sir.
But according to me, you are not so much cooperating with me. I won't say you are not studying. I will say that you are not cooperating. Cooperation का मतलब क्या है? When answers go wrong, then you don't know how to do the problem. Teacher को inform करना. That is what is known as cooperation.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's all homework we had. Can we today again? I'm going to give you same type of one problem from each category. Okay, do it slowly.
Yes,
Check
sir.
that your answers come correct. But remember one thing, before you start the problem, you should know that what is the common factor that you need to cancel. Without knowing that, you will not be able to do the problem. Is it okay? So today I'm going to teach you a formula. I'm going to teach you a formula. The last part of this exercise. Look at this. Limit x tending to a, x square minus a square upon x minus a. Limit x tending to a, x cube minus a cube upon x minus a. Limit x tending to a, x raised to 4 minus a raised to 4 upon x minus a. Limit x tending to a, x raised to 5 minus a raised to 5 upon x minus a. We will calculate all of their answers. After calculation, we will generalize it. Okay, all of them are same format. Do you see the format? X power and a's power are same. X is tending to a, denominators they are difference. X और में a का difference. Numerator भी difference है लेकिन x के ऊपर और a के ऊपर power है. Suppose I write limit x tending to 2. तो ये formula apply करना है तो denominator में x minus 2 होना चाहिए. और x का power और a का power एक ही होना चाहिए. तो आपका आंसर डायरेक्टली आंसर लिख सकते हैं.
Yes, sir.
We'll discuss that again, but first we'll find out the answer.
Okay.
Tell me what the answer for this. X square minus a
2a.
square. X
2a.
minus a, yeah, correct. X plus a
Plus a.
or x minus.
X minus a.
X minus
That's
a.
okay.
X minus a.
अभी a को सब्स्टिट्यूट किया तो कितना बार a आएगा?
2 times a.
2 times a.
So the pattern 2 times
Yes,
a.
sir.
Now let's see next one. या तो सिंथेटिक डिविजन कर सकते हैं नहीं तो आपको a क्यूब माइनस b क्यूब का फॉर्मूला. बराबर है.
Yes, sir.
अभी x के जगह पे a डाल देगा तो क्या हो जाएगा? सब a स्क्वायर हो जाएगा. बराबर है. कितना टर्म्स है? 1 2 3 और सब a स्क्वायर है. सो ये 3a स्क्वायर हो जाएगा.
3a square.
Are you following?
Yes, sir.
Now compare. जब पावर 2 था 2 टर्म हो गया.
Yes, sir.
और सब टर्म a बन जाता है. सो 2 टाइम्स a. जब पावर 3 है तो इधर 3 टर्म्स हो जाता है.
The next will be
और
4a cube.
सब टर्म एक पावर कम a क्यूब था इधर a स्क्वायर. Can okay, well, let's try this also. Limit extending to a. या तो आपको सिंथेटिक डिविजन कर सकते हैं नहीं तो आपको ऐसा फैक्टराइज कर सकते हैं. चलेगा?
Yes, sir.
इसको फैक्टराइज करो. Don't have to write this, sir.
X plus a and x minus a.
Cancel. Abhi how many times a will become? A plus a 2a into 2a square 4a cube.
4AQ.
एक मिनट, So did you notice power कितना था यार?
4.
कितना बन गया?
3.
3 और पावर 4 था 4 आ गया,
आगे जाओ
पावर 3 था 3
3
आ गया
आया.
और एक पावर कम. अभी इसका
Yes,
आंसर
sir.
डायरेक्ट बताओ.
इसका आएगा
5 raised to
raised to 4.
5A to the power 4.
4A to the power 4. 5A.
Everybody understood?
yes sir.
Yes, sir.
When it is 2, it is 2 to the power a. When it is 3, एक पावर कम हो जाता है और 3 आगे बढ़ता है. So look at this. ऐसा है ना?
Yes, sir.
ए 3 आगे आ रहा है और एक का
और
पावर
ऊपर 2. A square.
a raised to 4 है तो क्या हो रहा है? a 4 आगे आ रहा है.
4A 3 cube.
a raised to 5 के लिए क्या आ रहा है?
5A
5
raised to
आगे
4.
आएगा.
5A 4 5
A raised to
raised to 4.
Correct na?
Yes, sir.
Now you tell me what is the answer for this. Limit extending to a. X to the power n minus a to the power n divided by x minus a.
And A raised to N minus 1.
NA raised to
N minus 1.
N minus 1.
N minus 1. Have you got the idea?
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
Okay. Now do one thing. फटाफट लिख लो. पहला वाला का आंसर. Do only 2. This is not required. Now I have only 2 minutes to complete my class. तो इसका आंसर होगा 4a cube. 5a raised to 4. फिर a first problem, second problem, third problem, fourth problem, fifth problem भी direct answer लिखना है. Limit extending to a. Denominator x minus a होगा. Numerator x raised to n minus a raised to n. आपका आंसर
N
होगा.
raised to N minus 1.
n can be not only integers, कोई भी number हो सकता है. For example,
What if it
Limit
is
x.
root 2 or something?
no problem. X raised to 3 by 2 minus a raised to 3 by 2 upon x minus a. You can use the same answer. 3 by 2.
By 2, A raised to half.
So 3 by 2, a raised to half.
Half. Oh, cool.
Only you have to learn the format that I'm going to discuss next class.
Yes,
How
sir.
to use the format. Today I just only taught you how to write the formulas answer.